actually has to.
So this is my first video using eating
so many cards.
That's
dry strawberries.
thinking maybe.
That was like years and years
Okay.
ago. But he doesn't seem at least to understand
Got these new
communicate things
bracelets.
other than the object or things that he can see. Feelings, verbs.
So this is part 4 of tasting food. It's not always jelly beans.
That makes sense. Now let's see. That makes sense now. Okay.
I might even release a part 5
sleeping,
today.
so it's like easily identifiable versus like actions.
Look what
And
I
we
got.
wanted him to label actions, and he got those easy ones, or the ones that were clear. But
Look,
anything
my sister is eating some.
could be this or could be that, he can't tell the distinction.
Okay.
Quick question.
So, and it's enough.
Have
for
you
him
ever
to,
had a
like,
flat
point
tire?
and kind of like, because I think part of it is also.
If
he
you
thinks
said
that the
yes,
music is mine.
Like,
So,
if you said
because
no,
that's the
comment.
experience.
Okay.
Kids. But
anyway,
yeah, we're talking about you.
I know.
I'm gonna eat more.
I
Can
don't
you
know
read
if
the
he-
texture
Yeah.
of this?
Okay.
Until he
Bye.
like truly understands the meaning.
Chicken
that
wing,
it's
chicken
for
wing,
him,
chicken and macaroni.
then he's gonna be eager to communicate. But
I picked
until
this
then,
free
it's just
from
mostly
a
like
year
labeling.
ago.
It's mostly for when I cannot tell what